Welcome to Drift Horizon, where we bring you the latest in the automotive world. If you love cars, speed, and adventure, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and stay updated with all things automotive. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 is here, and it's redefining what it means to be a true off-road beast. Toyota has taken the legendary Land Cruiser name and given it a modern touch while keeping the rugged DNA that made it an icon. This latest model comes with improvements in design, performance, and technology, making it one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year. Under the hood, the 2026 Land Cruiser 300 is expected to feature Toyota's powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering around 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery both on and off the road. Toyota has focused on fuel efficiency as well, making it a more practical choice for those who love long-distance adventures. When it comes to off-road capability, the Land Cruiser 300 remains a leader. It features Toyota's advanced four-wheel drive system with multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential. This means whether you're navigating rocky terrain, deep sand, or snowy paths, this SUV can handle it all. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to offer a balance between comfort and ruggedness, making it suitable for both daily driving and extreme off-road challenges. The exterior design of the 2026 Land Cruiser 300 stays true to its roots but with a modern twist. The bold front grille, LED headlights, and muscular body lines give it a commanding presence on the road. The boxy yet refined design ensures that it retains its rugged appeal while offering aerodynamic efficiency. The rear of the vehicle features sleek LED taillights and a sturdy bumper, emphasizing its durability. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with functionality. High-quality materials, a spacious layout, and advanced technology make it a comfortable place to be. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Toyota has also included a premium sound system, multiple USB ports, and a wireless charging pad to enhance convenience. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the Land Cruiser 300 is no exception. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're on the highway or tackling tough trails, these features provide added peace of mind. Toyota has also introduced a hybrid variant for those looking for an eco-friendly option without compromising performance. This hybrid system combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering excellent power while improving fuel efficiency. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or someone who simply appreciates a reliable and capable SUV, this model has something for you. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, and legendary durability, it's ready to take on any challenge. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Land Cruiser 300. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Drift Horizon for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.